Okay, so we're still on core exercises, you guys. This is a great one to start with postpartum. It's very safe. Your head's gonna stay down, no strain possibility with your neck. It's just a very subtle building block for engaging your core. So same nice relaxing filling breath. As you empty, we call it a rib tuck. You're literally gonna take these upper ribs and act like you're tucking them down into your pockets. Okay, so that was a great example. Joss is really tight, so go ahead and relax. Her core's really tight. You've seen us with our yummy tummy nonsense. So she has trouble isolating just this upper part because her abs are so strong and so tight that everything just goes the second she tells any of it to go. So we're gonna work on that. I want you to really soften. Inhale, exhale, soften, soften, soften. You're gonna think just these ribs tucking down into your pockets. Better, good. Inhale again, soften, soften. Just tuck these ribs. Perfect. So that's exactly it. And the great thing too about these marches and these rib tucks, that if laying down goes well, you can practice them seated. And it's just the same ribs right here. I'm kind of flaring on purpose to make it easier for you to see. But so I'm going to inhale, just tuck. Point it out like I got my obliques in that one. I got my obliques in that one too. But so you inhale and you just, that was better. You just tuck the ribs into those upper pockets. So you can practice it laying down, you can practice it seated, you can practice it standing because all of those impact your core differently, and just start to feel that really slight engagement. The subtle might feel really easy, but then you'll have that confidence of having those building blocks of being able to engage your core the way you want to. You know, especially following pregnancy, you get bigger, you get bigger, you're bigger, you're bigger, you're bigger. Your ab muscles that used to run up and down are now out here. So as we're re-engaging those, tucking these top ones is really, really important because they got flared way out here. So getting them to kind of reconnect in that middle, it's a really safe one, even if you've got some diastasis happening, helps to bring all of that back together and being engaged in a safe, effective way.